Have you ever watched your footage back and thought, this looks fine, but it doesn't feel cinematic? Well, today I'm going to show you 5 ways to instantly level up your videos, and make sure you stick around for number 5, because almost everyone ignores it and it's the reason their videos still feel flat. Let's jump in. Before we talk visuals, we need to talk sound. It doesn't matter how nice your camera is, bad audio makes your video feel instantly cheap. There's a reason that audio is the first thing that expert filmmakers suggest investing in.
You can actually have bad visuals, but if you have good audio, people can still watch it.
People are more tolerant of lesser quality video if it has decent audio, but people have a hard time watching a good video if it has poor audio. But here's the upside. Improving audio is usually the quickest upgrade that you can make. A simple lav mic can elevate your entire video without changing a single shot. I personally use the Rode Wireless Go 3, which I'll link down below along with all the other camera gear that I use. If people close their eyes and still enjoy your video, then you're doing it right. Now let's move to where the cinematic look really begins, your framing. Most beginners point a camera and hit record, but cinematic shots are well crafted. Using leading lines, foreground elements, and understanding the need for wide shots, medium shots, close-up, and extreme close-up shots goes a long way in making your video seem more intentional. This sets up perfectly for the next tip, because great framing is nothing without great lighting. Like going from this to this. If composition is your canvas, then lighting is the emotion that you paint with. And no, you don't need a professional studio to pull this off. If you're just starting out with little to no budget, positioning your camera next to a window can go a long way. Right now we're next to a window, and it's winter here in Canada, so it's overcast, which in my opinion gives phenomenal lighting. It's not too harsh like you're shooting midday when the sun's at the highest point. It's very easy to work with. However, the closer that I move, I start to become overexposed. So all you need to do is position yourself reasonably close to where the natural light is coming in. Behind me, there's really no practical lighting. I could get creative. I could put on the lights that come in underneath the cabinets here. However, we're just relying on natural light to give you an example of what you can do to keep things looking, in my opinion, pretty good, given that you're just relying on the one natural light source. If you do have a little bit of budget, then picking up 1 or 2 affordable lights can truly make your videos look that much more professional. Remember, cinema loves contrast. Once you start learning how to use lighting to your advantage, everything starts to feel more cinematic. Now, let's talk about shaping the story visually. Cinematic videos don't rely on talking headshots. B-roll brings your ideas to life. The trick? Don't just film random clips. Capture moments that support what you're saying. For example, if you're shooting a hockey game, then get the arena, get the street signs out front, capture the fans sitting down, get the players going on and off the ice, get close-ups of their sticks, the fans cheering. This is what immerses your audience and keeps them invested. And now the most overlooked piece of the cinematic puzzle. Almost no beginner pays attention to this, but it's massive. I'm talking about sound design. Tiny audio details, subtle whooshes, low rumbles, ambient room tone, footsteps, paper sounds, wind. These build depth and realism. It's the layer you don't fully notice, but you always feel. Add intentional sound design and your video won't just look cinematic, it will feel cinematic. Use these cinematic techniques to enhance your story, not replace it. Now that you know how to make your videos more cinematic, there's another challenge that a lot of you might still be facing: talking on camera confidently. If you feel awkward, anxious, or stiff on camera, don't worry, you're not alone. I made a full video that will help you speak naturally and comfortably so you can deliver your story with confidence. So if that sounds like you, make sure to check out this video next, and I'll see you there.